G'day everyone. Pull up a chair and let's have a yarn about a legend. You know, we all hit those days where we feel like chucking in the towel, right? Things don't go our way, the bills are piling up, and you're just dead set exhausted. But what if I told you about a bloke who didn't find his true calling until he was way past the age most people are looking to retire? We're talking about the one and only Colonel Sanders. His life wasn't a straight road, it was more like a rough bush track, full of potholes, dead ends, and massive storms. The struggles, a life of setbacks. Now look, Harlan Sanders didn't have it easy from the start. He was a 7th grade dropout, just a young lad trying to find his feet. Over the years, he drifted from one job to another. He was a steamship pilot, a farmer, a railway worker, even an insurance salesman. Sounds like he was just jumping from pillar to post. Yeah? Every venture he tried, it seemed to blow up in his face. It was bitter and it was hard. By the time he hit 40, he finally started cooking chicken in a roadside diner. But even then, life had a knack for throwing a spanner in the works. Wars, conflicts, and fires kept burning down his dreams. It felt like the world was telling him to just give up. The turning point, 1,009 times, no. But here's the bit that really gets me. Instead of throwing in the towel, he decided to take his secret recipe on the road to franchise it. He was driving across America in his beat-up car, sleeping in the back seat, knocking on doors and begging restaurant owners to just try his chicken. Do you know what that feels like? To put your heart on the line and hear no over and over again? He was rejected 1,009 times. Imagine the guts it takes to hear no that many times and still keep a smile on your face. Most people would have packed it in after a handful of rejections. But he kept driving. He kept knocking. And on that 1,010th attempt, he finally got his yes. And that, mates, is how a global sensation was born. Conclusion. The real lesson. He sold his company for $2 million and now his face is known in every corner of the world, but the real lesson isn't about the chicken, it's about the spirit. Don't let your age, your past, or a few no's stop ya. Success isn't a straight sprint, it's a marathon. Keep having a go, keep believing. And remember, you might just be one attempt away from your own yes. Stay persistent, mates. Cheers.